Guys, you can make this yummy cake if you don't have an oven, if you don't have butter, and if you don't have egg. Yes, this cake you're seeing here was made without an oven, without butter, and without egg. And as you guys can see, it came out so beautiful and it was super yummy. So this is a video you want to watch to the end, especially if you're a beginner, okay, and you want to learn how to make simple cake. Let me walk you through. So get a bowl, you're going to pour in some water and you're going to add powdered milk and you're going to be mixing it very well. So this is the simplest and easiest way to make cake, especially for beginners. So this is a video you want to carefully watch to the end. If you've not made cake, once you watch this video, you're going to get it, right? Then you're going to be adding sugar and you're going to be mixing everything together until the sugar is fully dissolved. So if you are a beginner in the world of cake making, like I said, this video is what you want to take your time to watch, because once you watch this video, you replicate it, you're definitely going to get it right. So this is the simplest way and you don't need to do too much, okay, to get this yummy cake. Okay, so if you've not heard that you can make cake, okay, without an egg or without butter, now you know. And as you guys can see, this was so good looking. So add vegetable oil and you're going to combine very well. So no worries, I'm going to be leaving all the measurements in the description, so take your time to watch this video. So next we're going to be sifting in our flour. This is very important. You have to sift in flour, then you add baking powder and sift alongside, then you add powdered vanilla flavor. I'm going to be sifting it into the vegetable oil milk mixture like so. Okay, so take your time, you don't skip this part, okay? You have to sift so that you would not introduce particles into your cake or any form of lump. So this is very important when you're making cake. So you need to sift your flour, okay? So guys, this is a simple cake recipe anyone can try out. You're a beginner, you can try this cake, and like I said, you're definitely going to get it from the first try. So after sifting, add grated nutmeg. You're going to gently combine, okay? You're going to gently combine at this stage. Just take your time, okay, and gently fold in the flour and make sure that everything is nicely combined. Cake making is easy, okay? It's very easy. And of course, we know that the normal cake, you must use butter, you must use egg, okay? And I know this has made most people feel, okay, without an egg or without butter, you cannot enjoy that yummy cake. And I'm telling you that this yummy cake you're seeing here was made without an egg and without margarine or butter, okay? So just take your time and make sure that you combine these until no lump is found, okay? So you need to take your time, be patient at this point, okay? Mix until no lump is found. So guys, just take your time to watch this video, like you're definitely going to learn something. Okay, so if you've been a place and they're saying you must have butter, you must have egg to enjoy yummy cake, you can tell them that, okay. You can even go as long as showing them this video, showing them how, you know, fluffy the cake looks and how fluffy the cake came out, okay? Because I've been somewhere and people doubted that you must use an egg, you must use butter to make cake, and I laughed because I know this is what I do and this is what I've tried personally, and I'm in a place where someone is saying is impossible. Okay, so you don't even need too much argument, okay, when this kind of conversations are being, you know, made. All you just need to do just to show them this video, and of course what they will do is to go and try it out themselves, because everyone is looking for easy way, okay, and yes, to get things done. So right, just carefully mix. You're going to add white vinegar, okay, then you're going to gently combine, okay. So this white vinegar, the function is to make us have a fluffy cake. It adds this fluffiness to cake, okay. So white vinegar, that was what we added. And take your time, okay, to incorporate the white vinegar into the cake batter. So guys, like I said, if you're in a forum where they are discussing that you must use an egg, you must use, margarine or butter, just show them this video. The thing is, knowledge is power. For the fact you don't know something doesn't mean that something doesn't exist. So next, I'm going to be adding hot water. Guys, have you added hot water to your cake before? Do you know the function of this hot water? The function of this hot water is also to add extra fluffiness. You know that fluffiness from the white vinegar and fluffiness from the hot water. Yes, you heard me right. Hot water. Yes, you can add hot water. Were you surprised? No, you don't have to. We learn every day. So if you've not seen hot water being added to cake before, at least you've seen it now. So we learn every day, and I believe you've learned this one. Okay, so you don't miss my videos, because every of my videos has something valuable to share to you. So whenever you see my video, just take your time and watch to the end. Most people, ask some comments, okay, that made me know that they didn't actually watch my video to the end. So you have to watch so that you're going to get value. Every of my video carries value. So as you guys can see, I'm mixing. I'm just trying to, make everything blend very well. Okay, as you guys can see, our butter is coming together. Our butter is becoming beautiful. Our butter is becoming nice and soft. Okay, to yield or give us that, yummy looking fluffy cake. Okay, so guys, our butter is light. Okay, as you guys can see, is light. So we are almost done, okay, with this cake batter. Just take your time until you are sure that everything is well mixed and well incorporated. So guys, cake is not hard to make. So if you've not made cake before, this is a video you want to watch to the end and replicate, and I bet you're definitely going to love it. So this cake was not just fluffy, it was so yummy. So I greased and floured this cake pan. Okay, so what you're going to do is now to add your cake batter. So why I floured and grease the cake pan is to make the cake come out clean, okay, when it's done. If you don't grease and flour your cake pan, the cake will stick to the pan when it's done, and you don't want that. So you can also grease, okay, even without flouring the pan. Okay, so I decided to do both. So next, you're going to be slamming your cake, okay, to make it set. And remember, we are using a pot to bake, because of course this is a cake that is being baked without oven. So if you don't have an oven, this is another way you can bake your cake. So I put in a stand, okay, then I place the cake, then I cover and leave to bake. Okay, so as you guys can see, our cake is well baked now. So once you dip in something like this or a toothpick, once it comes out clean, it means the cake is fully baked. So remove from heat. So guys, this is what we have. Please remember to preheat your pot before baking, right? So this is our cake, as you guys can see. So let's unmold our cake, guys. So this is what we have. Is this cake not yummy? Is it not looking beautiful? It also tasted good. So guys, this is our cake, as you guys can see. So you can make cake without an oven, without margarine or butter, and without egg. So guys, this is our cake. Our cake is so good. I want you to try this out, and please make sure, okay, you give me feedback. Okay, don't just learn this and keep it to yourself. No, make sure you share this video. Now for the recipe measurement, check the description below. Thank you so much, and see you guys in my next one. Have a lovely day. Bye.